I never thought this is gonna happen. Oh shit, we never thought of something like this. Hey guys, Anupama this side. Welcome to my channel Lifeaholic. So today is a weekday and we generally don't shoot on weekdays, but there's something special today. We have a rescue mission. My parents are coming from my hometown Kerala after a long time, like almost 2 months they have been locked down there. Now that domestic flights have started operating, they have booked their tickets for today, so we'll be going to pick them up. Till then I have slightly my office work to get done. I have made a to-do list and I need to get all that done before I can leave. What time do we have to leave?
5.
Yeah, but 4:35 we'll be leaving. They would be landing here by around 6 in Mumbai airport. I'm very thrilled to see them after 2 months. Though they have to come back and quarantine themselves at home for 14 days. So they live just next building to us, but still I'm glad that they'll be in town. We have not taken an e-pass. Hopefully the soft copy of the ticket would be sufficient for the police to let us go. Let's see how things are going to be. So I thought I'll just shoot and show you guys everything. So before that, let me finish up my work and I have to do it quickly. Ready with my Maggie. I'm going to have my lunch right now. I thought I'll let you guys know how things are. My parents have reached the Cochin airport, so they are taking Cochin Mumbai flight. Though they have been in Calicut, the Calicut Mumbai flights have not opened up yet after this lockdown. In Mumbai, since the number of cases are quite a lot, so right now there is a restriction of 50 flights per day, which is 25 landings and 25 takeoffs. So a lot of flights are cancelled. Also what they told me was that there are very few people in the airport. It's just that like my parents had to come back. They have so many things lying pending here and so many things that they had to complete and get done with. I just did not want my parents to take any cab or anything. I just thought it's going to be unsafe, so we decided we'll pick them up. Since they are going to be at home for 14 days and they'll not be able to go out to buy any essentials, what we've done is that me and Sahil yesterday went out and bought a lot of groceries, vegetables and rice and all those things for them, so that they'll be fully equipped at home and they will be able to go through that 14 days without any trouble. So I'm going to have my Maggie right now and then I will see you just when I'm about to leave. So now we are ready and my parents have boarded the flight from Cochin. So we'll be leaving right now. If there is any checking or anything of that sort, I think we need to keep some buffer time for that as well.
We can take the Creta.
Why?
The tires are flat.
What?
There's a puncture. We can't take it. I tried this one.
Which one? Oh shit.
I tried filling in the air, but it's not staying, so we can't take it.
Oh. I never thought this was gonna happen. Oh shit. We never thought of something like this. Do we have a backup plan? So now we have a situation going on over here. Tire is punctured and Sahil tried filling air in it, but it's just leaking out. My parents' car keys are with us, so we can actually use their car. I did not expect this kind of traffic. I thought there would be fewer number of cars. Of course, it's not like the usual Mumbai traffic. There are still a lot of people on the road.
If Acha and Amma are watching this vlog, they need to know that we have actually taken so much of risk. अपने जान पे खेल के
More nonsense.
बचाने जा रहे हैं.
Also, there are two-wheelers where two people are sitting in the bike. There's a rule that only one person can travel on the bike or that scooty. Actually, my office route after such a long time. Sahil's office just went by. My office is further still from here, very near to the international airport. So we are actually going to go till the office.
I never felt so excited not traveling to office. It could be because I know that I don't have to go to office. Still there is crowd, even if there is a lockdown. If you can see,
there is a lot,
still crowded.
Especially here, like it's quite crowded. Just looks like people are fed up. Surprisingly, till now we were not stopped by any police. I think they are checking these buses and maybe cabs or something. Yeah, I just realized it's not been 2 months. It's been more than 2 months since we went to office. I think the last we went to office was like somewhere in March. So right now we are waiting just outside the airport. You can actually see the airport from here. Dad just called up to say that I think there's a huge queue there for checking, so they would take some time to come out, and we don't really want to park the car. We just want to pick them up and come.
How was it inside the aircraft?
No, not much of a problem. Actually, it was not bad. Except we took little longer time to get the luggage out.
They were given this kind of a shield. So this you have to like put it over your head.
Covers the face.
So how does it feel to be back?
Very nice. Excited.
It's going to go home and have a good shower. Till then, I feel all coronavirus is all over.
Dancing on you.
The flight, like otherwise, how are the people?
People are very nice.
People wearing masks?
And clothes.
Mask and gloves.
Sahil, please, yeah.
Actually, they made us change the mask that we were wearing. They asked us to.
So this is the mask given by them.
This was the mask they gave.
They had stamped on their.
Yeah.
Where are they? Oh, okay. It's actually nice to be quarantined in at my mom's place in Kerala because it's a very big, huge place. Doesn't feel like you're locked down. You have a lot of space. I'm glad you guys are back now. Now you know what we went through. So we have just dropped them back. So now they'll be home for 14 days. They just realized that it's been 70 days since they haven't been home. Even when you go on a trip, it feels really great to come back to your home. However nice the other place is, always very comforting to be back home and to be in your zone. So it was a tiring day. What I could understand from the whole situation was that there was no checking. I didn't have to show even the ticket. We were not stopped, but I did see police stopping certain buses and trucks. If the vehicle is like really crowded, then maybe they are stopping there, probably even cabs. Also, I saw a lot of people out on the street. They were actually more in number than what I had thought would be. I can understand that being at home like 24/7 can get a little difficult. But in case if you do want to step out, please ensure that you are wearing a mask, because I saw a lot of people not wearing a mask, but it's highly dangerous, and please maintain a distance. Also, half of the people who are watching my videos have not subscribed to my channel, so please do subscribe to my channel. It would really help me and it would really encourage me to make more such videos for you guys. Please do share it with your family and your friends, and if they like it too, please do ask them to subscribe as well. So that's it for today. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.